Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You will start by confirming prerequisites, then create the cloud credentials. First, make a Google Cloud project with billing enabled, then generate an API key or OAuth client. You need credentials to call AI services. Once done, open your target Google Sheet and choose Extensions Apps Script to begin coding. Make sure to use a dedicated script file and name it clearly. This gets you out of setup and into writing the first small function to call an AI endpoint. Now you'll implement the middle, the request, data handling, and security. In app script, use URL fetch app. Fetch with method post, set authorization header to your key, and send a JSON payload built from selected cell ranges. Parse the AI response, then map outputs back to specific cells or a new sheet. Also store credentials in script properties, not in cells. Make sure to include error handling and rate limit pauses. This prevents failures when the AI returns large or batched results. Finish by packaging usability and adding defenses. Add a custom menu to run the workflow and wrap key steps in try/catch to surface helpful errors. Test with minimal text to validate parsing and cell mapping, then scale input sizes cautiously. If something goes wrong, check execution logs in app script, ensure your API key is valid and not restricted incorrectly, and confirm cloud billing and quotas are active. Finally, adjust timeouts, back off retries, and cell limits so the sheet stays responsive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.